I know, he'll be okay. Probably an abscess. Tap, tap, that's the girl. So Kayla, when she comes in and she's like, these aren't real jugs. Give her just a little tap over each one so she hops it. All right, buddy, after she gets in front of you a little bit, let's bring him into it. And a little more to let you try. Think of turning him into Charlie Brown. He's got a ways to go because he's a kid. That's it. Now tap. There. Feel that little difference? And that's a good example of a little bit of leg doesn't always mean go faster or even a little stick. Sometimes it just means pick your feet up a little more. That's very good, Kayla. That's it, kid. Then just a little squeeze. Squeeze. Good. He's like, oh, okay. You were sure. Very good circle, Kayla. Now spot the jump as early as you can, and then take the widest path there. And then even when you kind of squeeze her over it, keep that little bit of contact with the reins so she doesn't hit them. Good. Awesome. Right shoulder down. Good. Awesome. Look at him jump now. Woo. Aspen, where are you? Yeah, after Rebecca passes, you go ahead and stop right there. After Rebecca goes through, just pick up the trot and you come through.